Curly hair is everywhere right now. On social media, on models, on actors, even your favorite content creators. And honestly, it looks amazing. More volume, more style, more confidence. But here's the thing most men believe. If you weren't born with curly hair, you're stuck with straight hair forever. That's simply not true. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 practical ways to turn straight hair into curls or waves. No exaggeration, no fake promises. Be sure to watch until the end, as the 4th method is the most permanent and effective. Let's get started, champ. The first method is heat styling. Using tools like a curling iron or flat iron, you can create waves or curls. But before you touch the heat, a heat protectant is non-negotiable. No protectant means damaged hair over time. With heat, you control the look. Loose waves, tight curls, clean or messy. The result looks sharp and stylish. The reality? This method is completely temporary. The moment water touches your hair, rain, sweat, a shower, it's gone. Heat styling usually lasts just one day, so it's great for events, photos, or special occasions. But it doesn't change your hair texture. It changes the look, not the hair. And no, heating your hair every day isn't smart. The second method is the rubber band curl method. No heat, no chemicals. I'll be honest, it's time-consuming and not practical for everyday life. I don't recommend it for daily styling. So why mention it? Because it's the best way to test how curls look on your face before committing to a perm. Here's how it works. Wash and condition your hair. Towel dry until damp. Divide your hair into small sections. Twist each section tightly. Wrap it into a small bun. Secure with rubber bands. Sleep like that overnight. In the morning, you'll have curls, but wash your hair and they're gone. This method is for testing only, not for daily life. The third method is seesaw styling. Perfect if you want waves without heat or chemicals. Wet your hair, towel dry until damp, not dripping. Apply sea salt spray. Scrunch your hair with your hands. Let it air dry. Once dry, you can add a bit of texture powder or hair clay. The result? Natural, messy, beach-style waves that look amazing. The last method is the perm. A perm is a chemical process that actually changes your hair structure. Straight hair becomes wavy or curly. The hair that gets treated will stay curly for months. Any new hair that grows, still straight. That's why a perm is semi-permanent, not permanent. A perm is the most effective and longest-lasting option, but it comes with responsibility. Curly hair needs care. Without care, it gets dry, frizzy, and messy. With care, it looks premium, defined, and stylish. A simple leave-in conditioner can completely transform how your curls look. Remember, a perm changes your hair, but maintenance decides the result. Here's the truth. Straight hair isn't a hindrance. It's simply your starting point. You don't need to guess. You don't need to blindly follow trends. Choose a style that suits your lifestyle. Try it. Notice how you feel. Because small changes in appearance can make a big difference in self-confidence. And wavy hair, paired with a toned anime-style body, can transform you into a version of yourself you never imagined. So don't miss this video. I've explained an easy way to achieve a superpowered body in no time, right from your room. Enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.